Now let us see the 77 question. Ethylene diamine tetraestate EDTA ion is among the following statement which is the right according to EDTA. Now let us try to draw the EDTA structure. EDTA means ethylene diamine tetraestate ion. Okay, its structure is ethylene. That means two carbon groups, 1, 2, ethylene diamine, 2 nitrogens. Here N, here is N, 4 estates. We have to write C double bond O minus 1 estate, and here C double bond O minus another estate. Here C double bond O minus third estate. This is fourth estate. Assume here metal is present. It donates electrons to this metal. Nitrogen having lone pair will also donate to metal. Oxygen donating electrons to the metal, and 2 nitrogens will also donate to the metals. Now let us number the how many donating sites are present. Here nitrogen 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 donated sites are present. That's why it's called as an hexadentate. Hexadentate ligands. Why? Because here 6 sites are present to donate electrons. Now let us try to verify the each options. First option, tridentate ligand with 3 nitrogen donor atoms. Here only presence of 2 nitrogens. Here they given that 3 nitrogens. Here statement 1 is wrong. Next one, it is a unidentate ligand. No. Why? Because it is a hexadentate. That means 6 donor sites are present. Monodentate means only one site. This is the wrong statement according to the structure. Now let us verify the fourth option. Bidentate ligand with 2 donor atoms. This is correct. EDTA is not the bidentate ligand. It is hexadentate. Why? Because other 4 oxygens also donated to metal. Total 2 nitrogen plus 4 oxygen sites. Total 6 donor sites are present. That will be called as an hexadentate ligand. Now let us verify the second option. Hexadentate exactly with 4 oxygens exactly. Here 1 oxygen, 2, 3, 4. 4 oxygens and 2 nitrogens. 1, 2. 2 nitrogens are present. Total, this is an hexadentate ligand. So 2 is our correct answer.